Good. Last part that we really need to look at here is going to be your mobility in the hip. There's a fair amount of adduction that happens when you weight transfer this way, as well as some internal rotation of the hip that happens towards the end range. We're going to work on how to get that motion back here.
The key to this exercise is setting yourself up for success. If you put your knees down on the ground and then you will put a box between your feet, what you're going to do is inch your knees as close as you can, which will create an internal rotation. You'll see that the foot is further out to the side than what the knees are. Now this is just the starting point. The next part is to rock back towards your heels or towards that box. What that does is it forces your hip to stay in a certain amount of internal rotation as you go into flexion, which ultimately is the end position of one of your hips during that windmill motion. And since we're required to do both hips this week, you'll need to be able to do this on both sides.